What can AI actually do for me?
Everyone seems to be asking the wrong questions about AI. They ask, what's the best AI? What's the perfect prompt? Is AI going to replace my job? I don't think those questions matter very much. The better question is, how can I use AI to give me my time back? Here's how I use it. When I'm trying to understand something complicated, I don't open Google anymore. I open AI and say, explain this to me like I've never seen this before. When I buy something expensive, I ask it to compare my options, point out what I might be missing, and even challenge my thinking before I spend the money. When I'm stuck making a decision, I don't ask AI to decide for me. I use it like a really smart sounding board. Sometimes I just need another perspective. When I'm cooking dinner, I tell it what's in my refrigerator and pantry and ask, what can I make without going back to the grocery store? When I'm learning something new, I keep asking follow-up questions until I actually understand it. No opening 10 browser tabs, no bouncing between websites, just a conversation. And that's the biggest misconception about AI. I'm not using AI to think for me. I'm using AI to think better. You don't need to become a prompt engineer. You don't need to memorize complicated commands. You just need to start talking to it the same way you would another person. Pick one thing you've been putting off and ask AI to help you. Then ask yourself one question. Did it save me time? If the answer is yes, keep using it. If the answer is no, move on. Don't try everything, just try one thing, then measure it. If this helped you think differently about AI, subscribe. I drop practical tips like this every single week.